Welcome to Lesson 4 of Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we learn how to format text using font styles, size, and color. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to change font type, adjust font size, use bold, italics, and underline, apply text color, and highlight. Welcome to the lesson. Before formatting any text, always ensure that your text is selected. For example, on the screen you can see I have an already typed text. We want to change this text to make it Calibri. You can make it any. Right now it is in Arial narrow. The size is 22. We want to change it to make it Calibri size 12. Formal font text is Calibri or New Times Roman when you're typing in your official document. So let's put this one as Calibri and size 12. In previous lesson, we had learned how to select a text or a paragraph. Let's triple click to select this entire paragraph. And then we come to this font. You come to Home tab. Home tab, you locate the font group. Font group, you come where the font style is. Click on it. Change it to Calibri. Change the size from 22 to 12. You can change it to any as required. On Home tab, we have the font group, and that is how we change it. To change the font size, we have already done that. You come to Home tab, font group, size, and change the size. Now we want to make our text bold. We have clicked our text. Home tab, fonts, we have the B. This is the bold. You click on it to make it bold. You can change either to italics. Next to bold, there is this. This is the italic. When you click on it, you see it's becoming italic. Or you can underline the entire thing that way. So right now we have made it bold, we have made it italic, and we have underlined. This is how our text looks without being highlighted. To change text color, remember we still need to click. Before doing any change on the text, you need to highlight it. Note you only highlight where you want to change. In this case, I wanted to change the entire paragraph. So suppose I want to change only the first line. Every morning Amina woke up tired but determined. I want to change the color of this text, so I'll select it only. And then I come to Home tab, the font group, we have color. And then we choose a color that we want. For example, this is the font color. Remember, there is font color and there is text highlights. Here we are not highlighting, we are changing the color. I want to change it to blue. So every morning Amina woke up tired but determined. We've changed our text to blue. You can also use text highlight color to emphasize important details. For example, some days were slow, some were painful, but she never stopped learning, trying, and believing. Let's highlight this sentence up to believing. You select where you want, and then you come to highlight, and I want to highlight it with yellow. And that is how we highlight text. If you want to remove formatting, select text and click clear formatting. Excuse me. We select the text. We select this text. For example, we want only to remove Some days were slow only. And we want to remove the highlights. You click on that. You've removed only what you have selected. You apply this to every other aspect of your document and the changes you've made in terms of formatting. A quick recap: text formatting helps make document clear, readable, and professional. Practice this formatting. Practice this lesson. Rewind as much as you can or as you need to, and understand every concept of it. In the next lesson, we'll format paragraphs for better layout. Thank you and have a lovely time. See you in the next lesson.